On the road, we move from place to place, and oftentimes when I'm about to call it on, we have to move along. Life is a constant change. The friends we know, we meet along the way, to some the times we share from part of yesterday. 'Cause life a constant change, and nothing stays the same. Oh no, clouds that move across the sky are changing form before our very eyes. Why couldn't we get time from moving on, along through all the years before this moment's gone? Why must we live the days as such a brightening face? We are like clouds that move across the sky and changing form before our very eyes. Why couldn't you grow our Peter Pans and wings, which simply grow toward for tales of knights and kings? 'Cause life a constant change, and nothing stays the same.